Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased Gadgetronic shop reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video as through this video I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Also, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that Gadgetronic shop offers products such as PlayStation 5 console, PlayStation 5 digital edition, DualSense charging station, wireless controller, 3D wireless headset and so forth. And guys, the most attractive part here is the price of the gadgets, which seems too good to be true. Guys, before proceeding further, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that two payment options are available, which is Cash App and Zelle. Friends, now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that the only information available related to shipping is shipping charges. So guys, Gadgetronic shop offers free shipping for all orders above $400. Now let's have a look on cancellation policy. So here we can see that a customer can cancel an order as long as the status is still in order received stage of the process. And if in case no cancel option appears, then it signifies that the order is preparing to ship and can no longer be cancelled. Apart from this guys, talking about the return refund policies, so here we can see that their return refund policies last for 30 days. And refund, if applicable, will be credited in the original mode of payment. And guys, a very important point to note here is that customer would be responsible for the shipping charges of the products returned. So now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, Gadgetronicshop.com uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, HTTPS connection alone is not sufficient to consider the website as safe. So let's proceed further to check the registration details. So guys, the domain name was registered on 30th March 2021. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new and is not much popular among the people. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official page we can see that company's address is provided along with an email ID, which is order@gadgetronicshop.com. Apart from this guys, we can see that no contact number is provided, which is a negative sign. And addition to this, Gadgetronic shop lacks presence on social media platform, which again is a negative highlight. So now let's proceed to talk on Gadgetronic shop reviews, because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor to identify the legitimacy of any website. So here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. And as I said, it was registered just couple of months ago. So over the internet, I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the items offered. Also guys, the trust index of the website is just 1%, which is extremely poor, and again it is a negative highlight. And talking about the content quality of the website, so guys, it was found that the images of the products and the content used over the website is duplicate as it matches with many other scam websites. So guys, incomplete contact details, lack of customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, low Alexa rank, copied content and lack of presence on social media platforms makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website because there is a high risk of receiving counterfeit goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about Gadgetronic shop reviews. And apart from this friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below, because after all we are here to spread the awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from omnipresent scamsters. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.